Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life Real Wife, and I am back with entry number 47. Wow. I just keep saying the same thing. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Y'all have absolutely blown me away. I opened my package with my X-Acto knife. I have not looked, but I see some little shreds coming out on the side, so let's dig in. You know how I feel about shreds, so oh my goodness. Oh, how pretty. Got a card. It looks like just a bunch of shred in here. Yay, so fun and festive. Y'all know I love all that kind of party in the bag stuff. Love it, love it, love it. So thank you. And it looks like, oh my goodness, wow. Oh, we got some little pom-poms. Oh, they're so cute. Thank you. Can't really see them on my black desk. Oh, and some confetti too. How cute. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Let's go to her card. Oh, this looks so pretty. Oh, look at the back of that. I love how you did that. Oh, this might be her memory decks. Let's see. Or it's a, maybe it's a dimensional. It is a gorgeous, look at that purple. She has glittered the inside of that up. Oh my goodness. I love this. I love the dark purple. Love it. Oh my goodness. And look how pretty that is. On your special day. Happy birthday. And it's got the, of course, you know I love all my glitter, my sparkle. And then she's got even glitter balloons down here. She's got it all with twine. Oh, that is so cute. So cute. Let's see here. She says, hi, Carmen. Hope you had a great birthday and a great birthday month so far. So glad to join your challenge and celebrate with you. I don't post on YouTube, but I am active on Instagram. I did post this challenge on Instagram before the postmark date. Thanks, Pam, and I'm not going to pronounce your last name just in case. But she is, and then she says happy birthday birthday / anniversary challenge. She's dated it. And we'll cover up her last name and see if I can show you. Her Instagram is PAMSTIPLANS. And then her YouTube is PAMSTI917. Do y'all see that? And she's did it up with the little glitter tag too. That is so cute. Thank you so much for that. Do me a favor. If you tagged me, did you tag me? If not, can you please tag me? I want to make sure. I'll go check it out myself. But sometimes I'm still learning Instagram. And I think I'm having problems finding some of the links. I searched through and oh my word. 'Tis the season to be thankful. And she has got this. She's did a 4-pocket pocket letter. And she has really just layered this up so much. And I love this trim you've added. That is so pretty. And then the pom-poms at the bottom as well. I may have y'all a little too close this time. But, and of course, she's got the gorgeous truck with the pumpkins in the back. There's some more sequins. Yay. And then she's got the wood brown leaf and the pumpkins with the barn door. Gorgeous flowers she's glittered up. She's got the, oops. More, oh, was I supposed to be there? More of the fun sequins. And she's got the window there and the pumpkin on the stand. And then she's got the fall banner. And then in the back, it looks like she has, it says Hello Fall. And I love that. And I'm not sure, it looks like, okay, yeah, she's decorated these up. Like this one's got the leaf in it. That is so cute. It looks like each one, let's see, I'm not sure. Okay, that one's just a plain too. I wanted to see in here, like on this one and this one, she's got the wood leaves down, and she's done the, like the rustic ripped papers. And I want to make sure that y'all can see that. That is such a cool idea. You really worked on that. That is so pretty. And then she's gifted me some of these gorgeous flowers. I'm just going to spread them out, because if not, I'll have them everywhere. And I don't think I have any in these colors. So those are beautiful. Make sure you're not getting a glare. Isn't that pretty? And then I think these are, yeah, she's gifted these pretty pumpkin stickers. And I have nothing like that either. Those are gorgeous. And then she has also gifted some of this pretty ribbon and cute. That is so cute. Happy fall. Cute little bunny and the little fox. Those are so cute. Thank you so much. I love them. And then this pretty ribbon. I don't have anything like that either. That's gorgeous. Thank you so much on that. And wow, look at her rosette right there. That is gorgeous. Okay, let's see. Looks like she's got a card here that she has made as well. Love all this confetti. And we'll see if I can kind of contain it to the bag, but you know how that goes. It probably won't happen. As long as it don't fall to the floor, I'm good. Oh my goodness, look at all this confetti. And look at that card. That is so pretty. And it's like a dimensional sticker. And then she's left it blank and given me the envelope. That is so gorgeous. Thank you for that. And then look at this one. It's all done in black. I want you to know how amazing you are. My gosh, y'all are just really good. And then she's even lined this one with white so that you could write on it. And then she's done the envelope in black. I love the black envelopes. These are gorgeous. I'm telling y'all, I need to just start watching y'all do cards, because I need to learn. Everybody has their own style. And, you know, nobody's is the same. And I gotta find my little niche. And look at this bag topper. You are everything. And then she's got this tag with it. The heart, the flower. And then look, she's even put like a post stamp right there. And then she's done twine around it with the bow. That is so cute. And look how precious. Number one, it's very, very sturdy. And her rosette, it looks like crepe paper, but like really, really thick. I mean, my goodness, and so perfect. Wow. And then she's got it all glittered up all the way around. And then she's got this like silhouette with the banner style. And it says, "You make life beautiful." And it's got this cute little girl and more confetti. This beautiful butterfly. She has layered this up. She's got trim back there. She's got the pom-poms. Oops, one of the pom-poms out of the bag got stuck. I thought it was on there. And then she's trimmed this up at the bottom. How adorable is that? And then she's got this little heart here with the little chipboards. Wow, y'all are definitely something else. And then she's got a pocket. Look, she even put an eyelet in that. Wow. That's amazing. Let's learn a little bit of something about Miss Pam. Her birthday is September the 17th. And she is Pamsti Plans, IG, and Pamsti or Pamsti 917 on YouTube. No videos. Her favorite colors are black, gold, and silver colors. She's clean and simple and loves Tuesday morning. That is awesome. Honey, you are also extremely talented. Y'all ladies, you ladies just blow me away at all your creativity, all your awesome goodies. And the deadline was Friday to have your packages shipped. I will double check with everybody once again and go over and make sure that I have either seen or saved your post on either IG or YouTube. I'm trying to figure out which pocket it came in. On IG or your video on YouTube to make sure everybody gets the correct amount of points. Thank you again, sweetheart. You are definitely talented, and I love all these colors. I hope everybody's had a great weekend. I was told I've got at least 1 or 2 more packages that should be coming in this week. And we'll be wrapping this up. And I can't believe it. With this, I mean, y'all just, wow. This community is something else. I can tell you that much. But I want a huge thank you to each and every one of y'all. And as always, I wish you from the bottom of my heart the absolute very best.